We have a 2013 Dodge Dart SXT in one owner, clean Carfax, has only 13,000 miles. Really a beautiful vehicle. It's in header orange. It will turn your heads. A beautiful color here. Also has a couple little graphics you can see there across the hood, Defender line, some Dodge graphics and kits on it. Also high intensity headlamps and LED fog lights down below, as you can see. Classic black Dodge crosshair grille there. And we got your kind of smoked headlights here on both sides. Really gives it a nice sporty look. You also got your black bezels there around the fog lights, so it really gives it a good look. We'll continue around here to the side. You can see we got Solus, Kumo Solus tires. These things are probably better than half, about 7/830 seconds. We got a multi-spoke alloy wheel here. A couple little scuffs on them, but no real curb rash. Also a resurfaced rotor, a nice thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed out by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Right now we're looking in through the passenger side. You can see it has a manual adjustment on the passenger seat. 2 bucket seats, full console flows in between, dark charcoal cloth, gray interior, yes, and carpeting. Now let's look at the back here. This would be in your compact car segment. Seats 5 passengers. Even though it is in the compact segment, you can see that front seat's all the way back. Still have ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants, and you can also see the interior is nice and clean. As we look down here at this tire again, it's a matching Kumo Solus, probably about the same 7/830 seconds. Scuff-free wheel, no blemishes on this one. You have a resurfaced rear rotor there as well. We'll continue around to the back where you can see you have your SXT badging, your dark badging, dual exhaust back here, as you can see also. We'll continue around here. Again, just showing you the matching tires, Kumo Solus, same tread depth as the rest. No scuffs or scrapes on that wheel either. And then we'll show you the shot here from the other side. You can see we have some offset white stitching there on that interior, but very clean. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Seems like the previous owner was a non-smoker. It smells good in there, and there you can see manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tour. I did want to show you it does have remote start, as you can see here. Power windows locks and your remote trunk release. You also got your locks, windows, and mirror switches right there on the door. And a little fuel door button there to unlock your fuel door. Now let's go ahead and jump in here. And like I say, the best thing other than the look of this car is the insanely low miles for 2013. Very gently used. You can see once it loads up here, we'll see if we can toggle through and show you that odometer. There it is. You can see only just a few miles there, 13,151 miles. So really a nice situation there. Just trying to get these wipers off. But anyway, let's go ahead and start it up. Let's go ahead and start it up, and we'll get back. Let's go ahead and continue with the tour. Automatic headlamp controls there, as you can see. The push button for the fog light. There's your dimmers. We also have your wiper washers here on the outside. And then we have your Bluetooth. As you can see, it is Bluetooth equipped. Now this is what I was using to change that customizable dash. We got your cruise control to the right of that. Now this would be your standard radio, as you can see. And AM/FM satellite radio here, and also then down below is your climate control. Now we have a 12-volt power supply, USB and audio pre out there. Got a manual control, or automatic transmission, but with manual control, so you can select the gears if you'd like. 2 large cup holders. And then back here you can see another 12-volt supply, audio pre out, and USB connection there also. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood here, and I'll give you a look at the underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and show you underneath there. Yeah, hood release right here. There you can see you got the 2.0 liter normally aspirated Very good looking engine. You can see no exhaust leaks or fluid leaks. Nice and clean. The electrical terminals have no corrosion. Really just kind of give you motorheads a little bit of look. There's a little bit of shrouding. It's hard to give you a look inside, but I can tell you very clean, well-maintained vehicle. Now I'm going to get into the next portion of this video. I really think it's one thing that differentiates us here at Thomas, not only completely upfront in the pricing of our vehicles, but also with the condition. So my job here is just to kind of get your eyes and ears, go down through, point out any minor nick or scratch or chip or ding or anything that might be apparent to me. Looks good on that fender. I don't really see any issues there. A couple little chips here above that driver's door on that high belt line. Rest of the door looks good. Back looks good as well. Quarter panel, little chip there. Some little minor scuffs there, but have been buffed out, really hard to see. Deck lid is nice and clean. I don't notice any dents or any bumps. We got a little chip right here on that corner. Small little chip there, but no dings or dents. Also, a little scratch right there. As you can see also in the corner of the rear fascia, we got a little tiny chip right there on that rear quarter. I haven't really noticed any dents. The hood looks nice and good. I haven't been able to pick up any dents on the vehicle, just a few little stone chips and tiny scratches. We got a couple little chips here on that mirror cover there, as you can see as well. But really good looking vehicle. Now we're gonna get some chips down here, a little bit of bug damage. I mean, this is a nose down aerodynamic car. You can see some of your chips that you're gonna have here on the front end or the front clip of this vehicle. There's another one. It's really kind of unavoidable, but other than that, really a sharp vehicle. Extremely low miles, like I say, for the year. It still have some of Dodge's powertrain warranty left, even though comprehensive has expired due to time. But you can buy this car with confidence. Now, if you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com, or you can give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.